Well, no, the camera's on.
Turn it off.
Why?
Why did you cross a gate that says no trespassing?
I didn't see no trespassing at the gate.
Did you not read the gate? What
No.
does the gate say?
We didn't go through a gate. I have no idea what
Then
you're
how
talking
did you
about.
come on this property?
You said you saw us.
Exactly. We just
Yeah.
seen you ride right through by the gate.
We came around.
No, you did not, because I watched you from the log house.
Are you telling me that we went through the gate that's locked?
Yes.
How did we get through a
Then
gate
how
that's
did
locked?
you? How did you get through?
No, you said you saw us.
Exactly. We seen you right from the log house, cut around the corner by the gate, and come up.
We followed another trail. There's no
I'll
gate.
call the cops.
Yeah,
Cops, please.
go ahead. Tell them it's Dave.
Oh, Dave. Oh,
Careful. Oh, you just about hit me there, you dangerous driver.
oh my dear God. Get off the trail then.
Get off this trail?
Yeah.
You do not own this.
Yeah, we do.
No, I don't think you do.
Really?
Really?
Who are you to say we own it or we don't?
You haven't even identified yourself.
Why should I? Have you identified yourself?
Dave, yeah, you're a property owner
Yeah.
and you own this
And
property.
You're trespassing, so please move your bicycle and
Yeah.
get off.
Well, we're going to continue right off your property.
That's fine. I'm going to call your policeman right now.
Good, yeah. That wasn't the happy, friendly person I met at the gate.
No. You trespassed at the back.
This can't possibly be her road.
This is Crown Land. We're trying to avoid going over property.
Yeah.
You might want to head that way.
Which way?
That way.
Why is that?
Follow the road back to where you were.
Who are you?
Dave, I'm a neighbor.
Yep.
And the police are waiting for you down there.
Okay,
Oh, great.
that's helpful.
All right.
Straight down there.
Well, I might want to go straight.
No, that way.
You don't tell me
Go
what to
that way.
do. No, you don't tell me what to do.
Then you better stay right here.
You call the police and tell them to come here.
Because they're right there.
Yeah, like I believe you.
Okay.
Could be you and 5 of your friends too.
Okay, just stay here.
Under what authority?
Under mine, I'm placing you under citizen's arrest.
Under which act?
My act.
Do you own this property right here?
No, I don't.
Then you can't do shit.
Done. I'm going to book you down here, okay?
Tell them Dave's here.
And who are you, Dave? Because I'm Dave.
Don't you dare. You better just watch yourself right about now.
That is assault.
Yeah, you just stood in front of me and bumped me. Get out of my way.
You ran
Get
into
out of
me.
my way.
You ran into me.
You get out of my way now.
You ran into me. That's assault, and you punched me.
That's not assault.
That is
You
assault.
want an assault? You touch me, there will
I'm
be
not
one.
touching you. You
There will be an
touched me.
assault when you touch me.
You go that way and talk to the police, please.
How do I know the police are there?
Because when you get there, they'll be there.
Yeah, like I believe that.
You got a camera on. Why
Yeah.
would I lie?
Yeah.
All right, fine. They'll
Yes.
come to your get you.
Please send them over this way.
I'll meet them at the van. Yeah, that's perfect. Something about they'll be at the van. That's actually good.
What happened then?
He got in front of me and basically just put his leg in front of the tire, and I kind of tipped off the bike and kind of spilled onto him, and then pushed him away from me because I thought he's got his elbows up and his hands up like he's going to do something. And then I told him to back off and pushed him away from me. And then we started talking about assault. Yeah. Hello there.